Feedback matters, boosting your TOEFL and IELTS scores. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve deep into one of the most crucial aspects of improving your TOEFL and IELTS scores, incorporating feedback to improve performance. Feedback is a goldmine. When used correctly, it can significantly enhance your listening and speaking abilities. Feedback is more than just a comment on your performance. It's a mirror reflecting your strengths and areas that need improvement. When you practice listening and speaking, feedback helps in 1. Identifying mistakes. Often, we aren't aware of our errors until someone points them out. 2. Improving pronunciation, especially crucial in English, where a slight change can alter word meanings. 3. Refining listening skills. Recognizing what areas you consistently miss can guide your practice. 4. Enhancing comprehension. Ensure you understand content and can respond effectively. Feedback isn't just about what you did wrong. It comes in different shades. 1. Positive feedback. Celebrates what you did right. It boosts confidence. 2. Constructive feedback. Points out areas of improvement. This is not criticism but guidance. 3. Peer feedback. Comes from fellow learners. Sometimes, peers notice things experts might overlook. 4. Self-assessment. Your reflection on your performance. It's essential to be honest with oneself. Now, the golden question. How do you use this feedback to truly advance? 1. Stay open-minded. It's natural to be defensive, but remember that feedback is for growth. 2. Create an action plan. Identify areas to improve upon and deliberately practice them. 3. Regularly review feedback. Don't just read it once. Go back, reflect, and assess your progress. 4. Seek continuous feedback. The more you receive, the better you can adjust your learning strategy. It's one thing to receive feedback and another to use it during practice. Here are some steps to integrate feedback into your preparation. 1. Role play. Simulate TOEFL and IELTS speaking scenarios. Incorporate feedback from prior sessions. 2. Focused listening exercises. If you've been told you struggle with, say, understanding accents, specifically practice with varied accents. 3. Join study groups. Share feedback with peers. Their insights might introduce you to a new perspective. 4. Record yourself. Listen to your speaking exercises. Compare it to feedback and see if you've improved. Feedback is like a compass in your English language learning journey. It guides you, keeping you on the right track. Embrace it, incorporate it, and watch your TOEFL and IELTS scores soar. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of feedback and equips you with the strategies to use it effectively. Until next time, keep learning and growing.